make a video of making a fake bird beak. So first you take a straw, any color, you kind of make like a dent right here, and then you take it, like fold it at least an inch, and then fold it like an inch in like half. 2 inches, and then another 2 inches.
That's 1 inch.
Shush, Corbin.
Why?
Okay, so whatever. Just bend it at least 1 inch, and then 2 inches, and then 2. Yeah, and then another 1 inch. Shush, you cat. And then, okay, that is a weird cat noise. And then you bend it, then you stick it in the other one. And me? Flipper, I remember that. And then if you want to keep it like this, and then you push it really hard, and then you take, since I did a red one, so I put the red on the outside. So and then you put the bigger, longer piece like this. And you just push back and suck back in to make it go back and forth. So that is how you make a fake bird beak. Thank you for watching.